Hi everyone, it's Paul Tilley again, and it's a beautiful morning. Today I'm on the coastal trail, the track, whatever you want to call it, and I'm looking out at Shoal Harbour here, and as you can see, there's not much traffic, but as you can also see, there's a little trail right here that goes down to the beach. So let's just go down this trail. I'm gonna walk down here. Now, bit gangly here. Be careful. Okay. Now it's high tide this morning. Seems like every time I end up going to the Clarenville beach, it's high tide. I want to walk up the beach a bit. Not very many people come up here because it's kind of hard to get at. But you can see the causeway over there. You can walk up the beach at low tide from the causeway and come towards this side, or you can do what I'm doing. In fact, you should be able to walk right up from the Shoal Harbour post office on the beach if you wish. But anyway, the point is, we're headed this morning to one of Clarenville's, Shoal Harbour's most historic sites. We are going to the Mills Mill. And the Mills family owned a sawmill here. And the second generation sawmills that were built were steam powered. So this is a steam powered mill that was right on the beach here. And if you walk up the beach, you can still see it today. So as you walk along here, we're at this point, and you start to see some signs that industry was here. Here we got a log there with some sort of like a wharf or some sort of a slipway was there for pulling in logs. As we walk over here, the mill reveals itself. So as we come around this point, you can look and you can see the Mills Mill. This right here, that large tank you're looking at, was a boiler. You can see where they put fuel into it. I suppose it was wood or coal. That would in turn heat the water in that big tank. It would generate steam. The steam would be used then to drive this engine. Now this was our economy back in the 1920s, 30s, and 40s. This was an important part of our town's past, and this piece of equipment here is critical to why we're here today. And I think that it certainly needs to be preserved, and people certainly need to know it exists. So make sure you come and take a look at it on the beach. Now, I'm going to continue, and this is a loop walk. We're going to walk along the beach here, and we're going to go over to Stanley's Park. And as I say, not too many people get to walk on this beach. I never see anyone down here, but we're going to do it today, and hopefully I'll see you down here. Note a lot of the red rock. Seems like most of the beaches along this coastline have a lot of slate in them. You can see the slate sticking up. Slate's pretty common around here. And a lot of red type rock. Must be iron in it. And this is the trail that goes back up to the track, or a corner trail. And this is the trail that goes back to the coastal trail. So we just go up here. Well, there you go. There's our 1.5 kilometer hike around to take a look at Mills siding and the Mills Mill. And I invite you to come to Clarenville if you're not in Clarenville, and even if you're in Clarenville, to come and take a look at this. It's an important part of our history, and Nice little walk on a nice day. Thanks for joining me. I'm Paul Tilley. See you next time.